Emotional support situationship.
Okay, so it's a situationship, and but then you wanted this to emotionally support yourself for a period of time, and that's it. And you know that it's not like a permanent thing. It's just a
Okay,
need.
you're close, but basically it's a bond जिसमें you're not dating that person. You doesn't have that intimacy with that person, but आप अपना सारा emotional जितना भी आपका baggage होता है ना, आप उसके ऊपर dump करते हैं.
That's Nana. That's Nana for you.
Oh my God!
That's you.
Oh my God!
That's
किसके
you.
साथ किया है मैंने ये?
That's you. You have that situationship with I think all of your friends.
Trust me, I
Okay.
don't have.
I
Okay,
now I have a
second term.
terminology.
Second
Okay.
term. Vibe check fail.
Vibe check fail. Vibe check fail would be like okay,
You
that
will when I will tell you the इसकी explanation तो तुम हंसोगे.
so maybe I tried to check the vibe but it failed. I mean, नहीं हुआ.
When someone's energy or behavior kills the mood.
क्या?
When someone's energy or behavior kills the mood. We know someone. Vibe check fail. हमारी third term. Green flag baiting.
Okay, I have no idea. I have no idea. No.
Pretending to be someone perfect at first. But that's just pretentious.
That's
like,
just
वो जो-
everyone.
हाँ मतलब it's like the
That's-
initially when
it's
you
a very
pretend to
cultural
be-
thing.
हाँ,
हाँ.
initially when you pretend to be the perfect partner.
It's not
and
just
then-
with relationships. हमें बचपन से सिखाया
हाँ.
जाता है पहली दफ़ा मिल रहे हैं तो बेटा तमीज़ से रहना.
ये वही
हाँ,
होता है
फिर
but ये वाला जो scene
हाँ.
होता है ना ये जब तक
But after a
it's
few
not-
meetings, you just become, get to a
अच्छा,
point where
ये
you're
वाला- अच्छा in
being
relationships
yourself.
when this happens तो वो उस time पर होता है जब आप किसी से मिल रहे हैं and that person's at their best behavior or finally you fall for them and
There's
then,
nothing wrong with that.
no when you fall for them eventually then they change.
You just see if you're meeting somebody for the first
I'm
time.
not saying it's wrong
No,
or
no, no,
right.
no, no,
I'm
no,
just
no.
explaining the terms.
मुझे नहीं समझ में आता why. I mean, ओके आप किसी से पहली दफ़ा मिल रहे हैं तो वो इंसान अगर अपने बेस्ट बिहेवियर पे है तो वो इसलिए है बिकॉज दैट पर्सन इज पुटिंग इन एफर्ट्स
It's not about
to impress you.
पहली दफा ना. It's about I'm not saying it's right or wrong. I'm just explaining the term. But ये उस वक्त होता है जब आप किसी को okay in easy way to say this आप किसी को trap करने के लिए you show the best behavior for
What
a
is
while.
the trap?
I don't know. Best behavior for
But
a
you
while.
have to explain this like properly.
क्या मैं अब
I
तुम्हें
don't
यहाँ सबक पढ़ाऊँ बैठ के?
हाँ तो नहीं समझ में आया हमें.
कोई बात नहीं हम बाद में समझा देंगे तुम्हें. हमारी अगली टर्म is NPC energy.
Okay, so I have to control this. Is it N or L?
It is N.
Okay.
NPC energy.
NPC.
No bells ringing.
So many things coming in my head, but I just don't want to say it.
Okay, so when your crush acts like an emotionless background
What is the
character.
full form of NPC?
That I don't know. I just know the term. And
Google से ना निकाला करो.
It's not Google से निकाला हुआ. I had to do a lot of research to make one show for everyone. NPC energy is when your crush acts like emotionless background character. Emotionally unavailable wala scene होता है. Next term is Postmates.
What? What?
Postmates.
Host?
Postmates. Hose mates.
Your ex's friends?
No.
No?
Roommates who also hook up. Hose mates.
The hostmates.
Bhaiya, I am just telling the terms. जिसने जो करना है
What
वो
is
उसकी-
happening?
What is happening in the world?
Yeah. नहीं हो सकता भाई,
Okay.
ये रिलेशनशिप्स ही होगा, शिप्स नहीं बन सकते, हम कश्तियाँ डूब चुकी हैं.
कश्तियाँ डूब चुकी हैं.